Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free by Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer exam, and there's a full guide and benefits. I'll talk about it, and get certified with the Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer exam, and is the best part is it's 100% free by Harness. So in this video, we learn what is the certification is all about, key benefits of the developer and DevOps engineer, how to register and take the exam for free, and tips for prepare and pass on your first attempt. So boost your career on CI/CD DevOps Cloud with the official Harness certification. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more free certification guide. So this is the registration link. We'll go through that. So this is the Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer exam, and developer exam is free of charge. So there is a register for the link. And about this course is intended to harness practitioners. The certification lets you demonstrate your knowledge of the basic harness continuous integration concept. Before the exam, please review the study guide located on the Harness Developer Hub. This exam includes two separate parts: 50 questions knowledge exam and past exam survey. At Harness, we are committed to providing you the best certification experience possible. After completing your Harness certification exam, you kindly request that you take a brief after exam survey. Your feedback is invaluable to us because it helps us continually improve our certification process and ensure the meets our needs. So after passing the exam, you will receive a digital badge that you can share on the social media. If you have any question and your about your certification, please get in touch with the certifications at the harness.io. So curriculum is 90-minute Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer Certification, 90 minutes exam, and Harness certification after exam survey. You have to complete both the way, and there is a sign in and sign up is there. I'll go through the register for free, and let me open the Harness Developer Hub. So certification for developers, prepare for the exam. So continuous integration developer, there is a objective is there and material is there. You can go through that, and you will complete this one. This will help you out to give the exam questions answer, and the coverage of the cover of domain. So all the things are there. List of objective, and finally we can go for the register for exam. So this is the page. You can click on the register for exam. It will ask you for login. So we have started, and 0 of 1 lesson is completed, 0%. So here is the continuous exam process are there about the course. You can go through that, and same thing are there. You have to go through the Harness Developer Hub and complete the study material, and there is a certification certified continuous. So main thing is that for candidates that fail, you have to 5 retake. So within 5 retake, you have to complete this one. And welcome to the Harness Continuous Integration Developer exam. You can take this exam immediately upon registering. Before the exam, you review this guide. You have 90 minutes, and there is a option is start exam. Socket, ping, download, uploads, cookies, and browser, everything is completed. Now you can click on the process. Total number of question is 51 and time limit 1 hour 30 minutes. So I'm ready to begin. So question is started. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free by Harness Certified Continuous Integration Developer Exam, and step-by-step process I have shown to you, and share the YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more learning content and free certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.